social media don'ts if you just started dating someone or you just broke up with someone. This is according to thefrisky.com. We're going to break it down. So get your little pens out. Thoughts, 5 words or less.
Get to know someone in person.
Go hard or go home.
These are all absolutely accurate.
Always use private browsing. Just in case you start dating someone and they come over to your house, you don't want their Facebook page left up or them to use your computer and see when they start to type something in.
What's creepier? Like finding out that someone's been stalking you and like erasing it and clearing their history, or if they see that you're just, you know, into them and you're checking them out.
I say just take every page of their Facebook
screen
profile,
grab
print it out,
Yes.
and hang it on your wall.
Yes.
Even if you're a boy, put lipstick on and kiss it, and leave the kiss on
And
there.
just stalk, and private browse. No, I'm totally kidding. I haven't been dating or even dealt with this in freaking 9 years.
Yeah.
I'm
Must be
100%
nice,
kidding.
Sam. It must be so nice.
It is.
Yeah. What else do you want to rub in?
Yeah, for real.
Oh, please.
Yeah, muscle tone. Go for it.
What?
Go for it. Rub in your muscle tone, Sam.
Why do you think I'm wearing a sweater?
Okay. You've got a great body.
Thank
so
you. Thank you.
let's get right back to the. So do you, Brett.
Thank you.
Okay.
No, I don't.
I don't.
What do you mean?
I'll show you later.
Okay.
I'll pull out.
All right. Ladies' night.
Ladies.
Ladies' night.
Okay, so if you're starting to date someone, beware the like button on Instagram. Okay, so before I say what they say, because you guys had such a strong reaction, why?
Because of how you said beware.
No!
Ew,
You're so mean,
the
Brett.
grammar freaking Nazi is back.
I'm a beware person. I'm a beware. But you're right. I'm sorry.
There's nothing creepier than getting a notification on your phone for saying somebody liked a picture, and it's like the first picture you ever posted.
It's like 2 years ago, so you know they went through your whole.
So you're like, oh, they went through all my pictures.
Deep
There's nothing
dive.
creepier than that.
Agree, that's
creepy,
what they said.
Right.
Exactly what they said is
Yeah.
what you are experienced.
Yeah,
So
But
take note.
Yeah. Is that creepy though, or is it flattering?
A little
I
creepy.
think maybe if it was
depends.
like 10 photos ago, but yeah.
Yeah.
like-
Context.
You guys, just beware, okay? Just
Beware. Just beware that. Just beware that.
Okay, so if you break up with someone, it says that this is when the temptation to analyze each stupid picture is the strongest. It says just don't. Just don't. It's only going to give you more angst and you're going to overanalyze things and it's not going to help.
I think when you're going through a breakup, just stay off of social media altogether.
Yes.
Just eat ice cream.
Yeah.
Listen to the
And then
Shins.
cut your hair. And then
Cut your
he
hair.
won.
Cut your
Bangs,
hair.
get bangs.
Yeah.
Yeah. Breakup bangs.
Okay, the next one is understand Facebook appropriateness. It says, if you just started dating, it says the only thing I'd say is to wait a little bit before friending that person. It says there's no need to seem too eager. Let them come to you.
I completely agree, especially when you're first meeting someone. And you don't want to get to know them based off of like this image that you see of them. You want to get to know them based off of what you experience from them. 'Cause
I
that's-
like it, Bree. I like
well,
that a
it's
lot.
true, 'cause,
what
like,
she said.
When you try like dating somebody and you're like say you do YouTube, for instance, I'm talking about myself. But basically, it's
Let's say you have like red hair. Let's say you have a dope sweatshirt.
yeah, all those things. It's just really weird when someone says something that you're like, I didn't tell you that, and then you
Right.
realize that they watched a video and found that out, and that just is weird.
Now, do you Facebook someone right off the bat, or do you wait?
yeah. I'm really aggressive. I'm like, I like you.
Poke.
Let's look at all your poke, like all your photos, messaging.
If you just broke up, it says that you shouldn't unfriend them. That's drastic unless it was a bad breakup. What do you think?
Yes, there are certain things out there that imply that they won, and you don't want to give them that
By
because it's
unfriending?
still a competition. And if you break up with someone and you unfriend them, that's one of those things. It's like you won. I can't even allow myself to even be susceptible to a passing status update from you at some point in the future.
But what if you highly dislike the person and you don't want to be friends with
Oh,
them?
in that case, you unfriend them and then
Send them a
you-
message
yeah,
and
you-
explain?
Or
and
no,
then you
they-
go and you take photos of like horses' asses and like open sores and you tag them. You go like, here's a photo of Bradley, and it's just an open wound or like a horse's butt.
Okay. Twitter is your best friend and your worst enemy. If you just started dating someone on Twitter, it says, I see no problem with plumbing the depths of your new boyfriend's Twitter timeline in measured bursts to see how someone does or doesn't use this thing as a fascinating look into the way their mind might work. But then at the same time, It can be
Because here's why Twitter is like the worst thing you could do, like
Okay.
stalk someone on, is because people are putting out the image that they want you to see of them on Twitter. It may not be like that actual person. It could be their brand. It could be their career. It could be just like some stupid YouTube or some sort of Twitter handle that's viral. You know what I
Right.
mean?
Yeah.
So I wouldn't trust anything you see on Twitter other than like what they're putting out.
good point.
Right.
That's why.
Bree.
Like when I I tweet like I'm going to work, I'm not really going to work because I don't work. You know, like that's a lie, but I want people to think that. I
Of
do.
course.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
like it a lot.
Exactly. Yeah.
And then if you just broke up with someone, it says, I could write a book of sonnets on the fine art of the hate follow, but here's what I've learned. Just don't do it. So the hate follow, meaning that you'd purposely follow somebody just to kind of like get annoyed by what they post. It says, don't do that. Don't waste your energy.
Yeah.
Just unfollow.
It's
Let
so
it be.
bad. You're just asking to be stressed out.
Yes.
Like if you don't be the person who's happy to be angry, because I've done
Yeah.
that from experience and it's terrible.
Yeah.
But then again, it's kind of nice.
You're
Like,
more annoying than the person posting something because they're posting something totally harmless that has nothing to do with you. But if you read into it, especially when you're following each other and then they say something passive aggressive, but you know it's about you because they said something about the thing you just tweeted.
Yeah.
That's why it's just not good.
The closest thing I can think of is it's like someone who's allergic to peanuts buying trail mix every day. Just like something that's gonna just irritate them and make them
kill them.
like kill them.
I mean, that's
You're
a harsh.
But they like
analogy.
who has
but
an
they like
intolerance,
peanuts.
who's got lactose intolerance buying milk.
Just drinking or eating
and,
ice
and it
cream.
makes you feel uncomfortable and it makes everyone else.
But you
think
kind of
you're
like
stinky.
it because obviously these people that do it, they kind of feed off the drama and the need, but in the end, it's just destroying them.
Yeah.
Just like ice cream might taste good, but then you're lactose intolerant, it's destroying your
Yeah.
insides.
Or arsenic.
Or arsenic.
Yeah.
Which is a new Ben and Jerry's.
What do you guys think about these social media don'ts? If you're just dating someone or you just recently broke up with someone, let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you all next time on Pop Trigger.